My name is Dr. Abhijit Chakrabarty, and I am associated with the PGDM department of JIMS Rohini. If I look back at my own personal achievements, I was with the industry for more than a decade, where I spent a substantial time working for some reputed media houses. As a journalist, I used to travel around the country, get a lot of experience, and I've learned a lot of things on the ground which I now share with the students. I came to education not by chance, but it was more of a passion, and that passion has still continued with me. I like to spend a lot of time with students, mentoring them, guiding them. A lot of students come for queries related to their careers, related to their professional development. We at JIMS, we spend a lot of time with students, mentoring them, giving them that space where they can have conversations around issues related to professional development, growth, personal development, self-awareness, social sensitivity, etc. All that helps them develop into very significant corporate citizens of the country. Here in the institute, we not only believe in classroom learning, but we also have a lot of scope for going out and learning from the field. I personally conduct a course called Self, Society and Organizations, where students get affiliated to an NGO or a social enterprise, and for one whole semester, once a week, the students go out and work with these organizations. One, it is very instrumental in developing the social sensitivity of a student, which is very important today because corporates are adopting a human-centric approach. So that enhances their skills of working in the corporate sector with the social sensitivity that is required to actually work in any kind of industry. It also is a way to develop their skills because they are in exposure to the outside world. They get an exposure to the outside world, and this exposure helps them come out of their comfort zones and learn a lot once they see, once they do, once they are with the people, and that's the kind of experience we give the students. They can also follow it up with a project called Industry Research Project, where a student can either work with an NGO or a social enterprise or a medium and small industry, or they can also work on an entrepreneurial startup idea. Our course in entrepreneurship also helps them develop themselves as individuals with an entrepreneurial mindset. Today the world is changing, globally it's changing, and students are, when they join the corporate, they not only are doing their own specific jobs, but they're also supposed to take ownership, look at innovations, and move ahead and in expanding and growing the business of the corporate. So today the entrepreneurial mindset that is acquired by students from JIMS Rohini in terms of the exposure that they're getting from the field and the exposure that they're getting from these industry rich projects, that knowledge is then applied to the corporate sector. Overall, we work on the holistic development of our students. We believe that whatever knowledge is acquired in the classroom is only 50% of the learning that a student gets when the student comes to a college and experiences college life. I think 50% of the knowledge that the students get, that's from the outside world. This rich linkage with the outside world is something that we are encouraging as an institute. As a faculty who is responsible for these projects, I ensure that the students get enough experience and exposure to actually understand the global world and work in an environment where they can apply these skills and competencies. This program, the PGDM program, with its thrust on the experiential learning and the immersion-based projects, is something very unique which we have offered in this institution. Students have benefited a lot after they have gone through these training processes. And even today, once the students have joined corporates, we get a lot of good feedback from the corporates saying that these students are actually well equipped to handle any kind of crisis situation. So they are not, they don't panic, they take decisions rationally, and whatever experience they have got from the outside world, their communication skills have enhanced substantially, and they are able to build healthy relationships in their professional life. I wish all of you all the very best, and I wish all of you come join us and we all get an opportunity to work together.